in order to win the presidential election come 2023. This was at a forum of the Greater Nigeria Conference in Abuja. Kenneth Nanim reports.
This is another forum aimed at enlightening Nigerians on the imperatives of the 2023 general elections. Here, the issue is Igbo presidency. The Greater Nigerian Conference, having unveiled the profile of aspirants from the southeast to the public, is urging the electorate to make informed choice.
The essence of this meeting is to convince Nigerians that indeed we live in a country that has a conscience.
To still continue to appeal to our country, Nigeria, to please do to us what they have done to other people. We're asking to be treated fairly because we have invested so much in this country.
The whole Nigerian people should support a presidential candidate from the southeast to become president of Nigeria in 2023 to cement national unity.
We are united in this. We will speak with one voice.
Speakers at the event who went memory lane to recount Nigeria's political history and experience are of the view that for the sake of equity, justice and fairness, the Southeast should be allowed to produce Nigeria's next president in 2023. Leaders of Afenifere, Pandef and the Middle Belt Forum also lend their voices in solidarity. Kenneth Nanim, NTA News.